At a press conference held today, the 10th of January 2022, members of the Ryntih Football Club had formally announced their tie-up with MINERVA Academy Punjab for setting up of a football academy in the state of Meghalaya. The president of Ryntih Football Club, Walam Kupar Kharpran, while addressing the media, informed that the collaboration with MINERVA Academy Punjab would enable the setting up of a state-of-the-art football academy in the state. He added that the academy, once ready, would enable the youth of the state to achieve their dreams through football, as it is the most popular sport in Meghalaya.
Before, Ryntih have tried their level best to set up their own academy in the state, but then they were never successful in their the journey to set up the academy. But then we know that alone we cannot do it. So that is why we have approached Sir Ranjit Bajaj, the head of MINERVA Academy, to help and guide us in setting up the state-of-the-art football academy in the state. We know that Meghalaya is a sports hub and football is the #1 sport in Meghalaya. That is an undeniable fact here. So our expectations is, we know that we already have the capacity, the potential players, young and budding footballers from the state, but then they are still untapped. So for them to be tapped, for them to be seen in a much higher platform, we need to set up an academy. We need to tie up with the big academies like MINERVA, who already has tie up with other big clubs like Delhi FC, Rajasthan United, and other clubs in India. So this tie-up will give the platform to many young and budding footballers. Will also help will also help the dreams. Will also help the footballers to achieve their dreams in the long run.
Speaking about the MINERVA Academy in Punjab, its General Secretary Harshit Tyagi said that the tie-up with Ryntih Football Club is an aim to develop and train young people of the state in football, as the academy is well known for its youth development programs. He further informed that members of the Ryntih Football Club would be able to gain access to the academy's coaches and other facilities so as to enable the best training to such aspiring talent.
We say is how to actually build a club internally. So we'll be helping the club in having all of the access to our coaches. We'll be doing exclusive camps, we'll be doing exclusive trials here within the facility once it's built, and we'll be helping the club get all our access to all our coaches. And again, club is always at always welcome to Chandigarh to train there. We'll be helping the club train there. All the youth teams. First and foremost, what I would like to mention is we will be helping the club develop the youth system, something that I'm known for and something that MINERVA Academy is known for. So we'll be helping the team build the youth teams and excel at youth level, because that is what is going to give us and Ryntih also that base of sustainability in the market. So that will be our aim.